latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
In view of the extension of the lockdown and continuing disruptions on account of COVID-19, the above measures are being further extended by another 3 months from 1st June till 31st August, taking the total period of applicability of the measures to 6 months. That is from 1st March to 31st August 2020. To reduce the policy repo rate by 40 basis points, 40 basis points from 4.4% to 4%. Consequently, the MSF rate and the bank rate now stand reduced to 4.25% and reverse repo rate stands reduced to 3.35%. The biggest blow from COVID-19 has been to private consumption, which accounts for about 60% of the domestic demand. From the incomplete data that have been made available, food inflation, which had eased in January, from its January 2020 peak for next 2 months, that is during February and March. Now suddenly they have reversed and surged to 8.6% in April as supply disruptions took their toll, immune to the ongoing demand compression. MPC assessed that inflation outlook is highly uncertain. The supply shock to food prices in April may show persistence over the next few months. Among the pressure points, the elevated level of pulses inflation is worrisome and warrants timely and swift supply-side interventions, including a reappraisal of the import duties. It is in the growth outlook that MPC judged the risks to be the gravest. The combined impact of demand compression and supply disruption will depress economic activity in the first half of the year. Given all these uncertainties, GDP growth in 2021 is estimated to remain in the negative territory, with some pickup in growth impulses in H2 2021. Amidst this encircling gloom, agriculture and allied activities have, however, provided a beacon of hope on the back of an increase of 3.7% in food grain production to a new record. A ray of hope also comes from the forecast of normal southwest monsoon by the India Meteorological Department. By 10th May 2020, up to which the latest information is available, Kharif sowing was higher by 44% compared to the last year's acreage. India's foreign exchange reserves have, however, increased by 9.2 billion during 2021, that is from 1st April onwards, and so far, that is up to 15th of May, our foreign exchange forex reserves, they stand at 487 billion US dollars, which is equivalent to 1 year's imports.